Alden Richard update and Care Aban ni Alden. Ito yung mga pinuntahan ni Alden. Ito yung highlights. Sa post na Sparka JMI Artist Center, sabi, a day filled with kindness, connection with and heart. And 15 years in the spotlight, and Asian multimedia star Alden Richard continues to leave a mark by lifting others up, from spending joy and tahan walang hagdan to sharing comfort at East Avenue Medical Center and give love to our poor friends and pals. His AR-15 Care Aban brings warmth and purpose to every place in which, Yan, pinuntahan ni Alden. Yan, tatlo yan, grabe. Yan ang mga aspin. Nagpakain pa nga si Alden. Yan ang cute. Yan, nag-enjoy si Alden. Nagbigay ng mga regalo yun, no? Yung mga munting regalo.
Number one, we're public figures. A lot of people look up to us. And sometimes they really emulate almost everything that we do. So the platform that we have right now has to be used properly for the mere sake of inspiration. Because kaya kami nandito, and kaya kami nabigyan ng ganitong posisyon dito sa industriya is to really inspire people and give them enough reasons to be kind every day. Change begins when you choose to care. Join us in making a difference. Together, we can create the impact we need. Click Kindness, start now.
Don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell for more update. This is Richard Action Live. Stay tuned for more videos. See ya.